Infused oil has many benefits. It combines the benefits from the oil called carrier oil and the herb to be infused into the oil. Today I'm making the Centella infused oil. Centella has many benefits. I have a video talk about details about Centella and their story about where the tiger grass, the name come from. It's a good video, watch it and know more background about Centella. And this video, I'm gonna show you to make a Centella Grapeseed infused oil. And normally, if we make infused oil under the room temperature, it takes weeks, 4 weeks to 6 weeks, take long time. Sometimes you figure out there is a problem during the 4 weeks, so you're wasting the time. Today, I'm gonna show you a way to shorten the 4 weeks of time into a few hours, and that make your preparation of infused oil process much easier, shorter, and also avoid a lot of problems during the long time of the waiting. Today I'm going to use our new product called ADI. That is an automatic infuser and distiller, so you can make infused oil and hydrosol essential oil by using the same machine. It's automatic, save you a lot of time. And I'm going to use the infusion function today to make the Centella Grapeseed infused oil. I'm going to make a small batch of Centella infused oil. The ratio, because I'm using the dry Centella, it's recommended 1 to 10. So 1 part of the Centella with 10 part of oil. And I'm using the grapeseed oil because grapeseed oil also has a good benefit of anti-aging in matching the benefits of Centella. But I got a question ask, what kind of oil can I use? Most of the oil, the vegetable oil you can use. Liquid oil is better than those solid oil like a coconut, shea butter, because the liquid has a better extraction. And I like a grapeseed, almond, olive, but you can also use like vegetable oil, canola oil, and there's many other vegetable oil you can use. Only reminder is don't use a soybean oil because most of the oil are genetically modified oil. So you want to use it carefully. And I gotta have about 10 gram. So be careful when you're using the dry herbs. The dry herbs actually it's not heavy, but it takes a lot of space. So because I just use a small batch, this is like a 4-ounce bottle. So you gotta use a very little, just make it safe. Sometimes you don't even, use that much herb. The general recommendation is 1 to 10. So I have a book talk about different herbs and which part of the herb to be used for the extraction and when you harvest the herb for the best the performance and what is the ratio when you're making a tincture. So I'll put a link down below so you can see that. And then just add the oil. I love the color of the grapeseed oil. It has a light green color because this oil is made from the seed. So that the grapeseed has a bit of the green color. So after you pour the oil into the herb, just give a little time and let the bubble come up. So let the oil sip in, and then you can add more. The full bottle is almost 4 ounce, so it's good. I'm using ADI for the infusion today. There are 2 ways to do infusion with ADI. The first way is you can mix your herb and oil into the bowl. If you need like a large quantity, you can start with 1 liter and the max go up to the 4 liter. And the other way is today I'm going to put in the mason jar and then put in the bowl. And also the same time, I'm gonna make 2 other the infusion. One is the lavender infused honey, and the other one is the bay leaf in the vodka. So making the tincture. So the benefit of using the jars, you can make a different infusion at the same time. So all you need to do is add water in here and let it soak in the water, and then we can turn on the infusion. Add about 2.5 liters the water. So let the bottle, the herbs, especially the liquids, soak underneath the water. So that makes the temperature more stable. I'm gonna do 8 hours today. So when you see the dots are flashing, that means it's on, and also here is showing you are doing the infuse. We're doing a pre-sale for ADI. If you have interest for this automatic herb extractor, go to the website. I'm gonna put the link in the description part, and you can sign up the pre-sale to get the exclusive offer. So now the ADI is doing the infusion, just running by itself. When the time is calmed down, it will stop by itself. So I will just come back and collect the product. You know, after a while it finished and it will power off, but you can just wake it up. Just want to show you. So I did 3 bottles. It's still a little warm, even after a whole night. The honey one, and this is the tincture, and this is the oil, the infused oil made yesterday. I'm gonna use the press to separate the oil. This is what it looked like. Just poured in. Pretty simple. Now this is the oil. I'm gonna pour back the little bottle. I clean it. This is a lovely green color Centella Infused Grapeseed Oil. By raising the temperature to about 65 degrees Celsius or 150 Fahrenheit, that is a very good temperature to accelerate the infusion process. and it can shorten the time from 4 weeks to hours. So I use 8 hours. It depends on the herbs and the amount of oil, the herbs you are doing the infusion. You can choose different times, but 8 hours, like for most of the case, 8 hours is long enough for the good infusion. And so this combination, the Centella has a good anti-aging, and also the grapeseed oil also help reduce wrinkles. So this is a perfect combination working as the massage oil, the facial oil. So if you love like a plant-based, this could be a one way to help you to make your own, the skincare or hair care, the products. Thank you for watching. This is Dr. Liu. See you next time.